Katie Price showed off her bruised face after celebrating son Harvey's Celebrity of the Year win. Despite her painful appearance, she was all smiles as she left her hotel with her fiance Carl Woods after attending the National Diversity Awards in Liverpool. 6. Katie Price showed off the bruising on her face from her latest surgeryCredit splash. 6. The night before she celebrated her son Harvey's win at the National Diversity Awards. The day after celebrating her teenage boy's big win, the former glamour model could be seen getting into a waiting car still wearing her head bandage after undergoing another brow lift and liposuction. You could clearly see painful bruising under her eyes and around her cheekbones. But nonetheless, in true Katie Price style, she smiled for the awaiting photographers. The TV star wasn't going to let her surgery stop her celebrating Harvey's big win, and posted a video which showed how proud she was. The night before, Katie proudly beamed on the red carpet for snaps ahead of the event, despite still being bandaged up and recovering from her most recent surgeries in Belgium. A source close to the star explained Katie didn't opt for the full overhaul as she has had in previous years, but was keen to stay looking her best. They explained, "Anyone who knows Pricey knows she always wants to stay at the top of her game, and she's just had a few tweaks this time. She went in to have a brow lift and a bit of lipo on her chin." Pricey, who last month joined racy website OnlyFans, showed some bruising from the procedure and had her head enveloped in white bandages earlier this week. The star is no stranger to surgery over the years, having had her 13th boob job last year, as well as full-body liposuction under her chin, eye and lip lifts, and a Brazilian butt lift in Turkey. Katie later insisted she's not addicted to going under the knife, despite comments from some of her fans, saying she just wants to look her best. The star explained, "It's like a car, you have an mow. If you get a scratch or a dent, you fix it, and that's how I feel with my body. I'm not trying to look younger, and I definitely don't want that alien look when people go over the top and look like freaks." A source told The Sun in December that the star was determined to have more surgery in the new year. They explained, "Katie's telling everyone she thinks her bum implants make her look too big and wants them out, plus more lipo. When Katie has an idea in her head, she just does it." 6. Katie was all smiles as she left the hotel credit splash. 6. Katie revealed painful bruising on her face credit splash. 6. She recently underwent a brow lift credit splash. 6. Katie proudly posed with Harvey and Carl at the beginning of the night.